Okay, this is the last question. You have a t-shirt making business, costs you $200 to hire a screen machine, and then every a day, and then $5 per t-shirt after that. And then it gives you a little example. So to produce 50 t-shirts costs you $450. Your first day was so successful, you have $900 to spend. So let's have a look at this. The cost equals 200 to hire. This is how much it costs to make these t-shirts. It costs you $200 a day to hire the print-in screen printing machine, and then 5 times the number of shirts that you want to make. Now, what we have here, we have that the cost, we're going to spend $900. So that's the cost. Now, I'm doing this algebraically. You wouldn't have to set up this sort of formula, but you can always set up this type of formula. Remember, this is really just C equals 200 plus 5N. I've just used words. It's still an algebraic equation to show what's happening. Cost equals 200 plus 5 times the number of shirts. So what do we know? We know that cost equals 900. So now we're going to solve this equation. And remember, we're looking for the number of shirts. So what's the first thing we need to do? It would be nice if we could get rid of this 200 here. Okay, so what's the opposite of plus in 200? We're going to minus 200 from both sides. When we do that, we get 700 equals 5 times the number of shirts. What do we need to get rid of now? Let's get rid of this times by 5. What's the opposite of times by 5? What we are going to do is we're going to divide both sides by 5. When we divide both sides by 5, we get that 140 is the number of shirts. So that's a really nice, quick way to do it. So hopefully that has shown you a few different ways. Thanks.